If you spend $5 every day on coffee from Arch, it might feel like a small, harmless habit. But what if you looked at it differently? Let's say you buy coffee 5 days a week. That's $25 per week. In 1 month, that becomes around $100. And in a year, you're spending about $200 just on coffee. Now imagine continuing this for 5 years. You would have spent nearly $6,000. But here's where things get interesting. What if instead of spending that money, you saved it? You'd have a solid $6,000 in your hands. And if you took it one step further and invested it with an average return of 7 to 8% per year, that amount could grow to over $7,000. That's a big difference created by just one small habit. This doesn't mean you should completely stop enjoying your coffee. The real lesson here is awareness. Small daily expenses often go unnoticed, but over time, they can have a huge impact on your financial future. Even cutting down a few days a week can make a difference. At the end of the day, it's not about coffee, it's about your choices. Because small habits repeated daily can either cost you money or help you build it.